Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open the suspension notice and read the stated reason so you know what rule you allegedly broke. Once done, collect your username, linked email or phone, and 2 forms of ID or account evidence. This saves time when you submit an appeal. Make clear screenshots of the account page and any error messages. Doing this first prevents delays and shows you are organized. It also helps you craft a focused, factual appeal rather than guessing at the cause. Next, open the platform's appeal form and paste the case ID and exact username so the team can find your account fast. In the appeal text, state clearly what happened when it happened and why the suspension is incorrect or has been remedied. Be concise and factual. Attach labeled evidence, screenshots, receipts, or ID, and reference each file in your message. Make sure to state any corrective steps you've taken, because demonstrable remediation speeds review and improves your chance of reinstatement. After you submit, wait 48 to 72 hours for the initial review and then follow up politely if you haven't heard back. While you wait, secure any linked email and change passwords, enable 2FA, and revoke unrecognized apps so you can't be resuspended for compromise. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Submit a clarified appeal with additional evidence, request an appeals review, and document each step. One key troubleshooting tip: if automatic replies block you, escalate using the platform's support channels and reference your case ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.